Today we are making boneless chicken karahi, jatpat karahi, one chicken breast cut into cube shape, now take 2 tomatoes, 1 onion, few garlic cloves and coriander seeds. And blend everything in a blender. Take oil in a pan. Add in ginger garlic paste. Add in blended mixture. Bonify till its water get dries. Add in chicken. Bonify. Add in 1 tablespoon turmeric, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, half tablespoon black pepper, half teaspoon salt. Mix well. Add in half cup yogurt. Mix well and cook till its oil gets separate from gravy. Add in pinch of garam masala. Crush kasuri methi. And now it's done in no time. Enjoy with chapati. It's very easy, quick, and delicious recipe. Hope you will try it when thinking what to make today quickly.